I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with Tani's chapter The Phoenix. Whom does Manab regarding as his companion? Bidhu. What task does Manab ask Bidhu to do first? To clean up the kitchen. What is the computer opinion of Bidhu? Negative. What does Mahab utter to activate the Android? Android X219. Whom does the computer thank for opening the auxiliary communication channel? Manab. What is the date of the event of the play? It's 20 August 2004. Where has Manab living for the last 10 years? Manav have been living underground in Calcutta for last 10 years. Who has been Manav companion for the last 10 years? Bindu and the android has been Manav companion for last 10 years. How does the computer describe Bindu? The computer describes Bindu as an unintelligent and inoperative. Why does Bindu says that it is hard to clean up the kitchen? Bindu says that it is hard to clean up the kitchen. Without looking, his eyes were covered with saucepan. What news does the computer give to Manav? Computer tells Manav that he is not the last man. He detects a life from a very near place. It is not before. Why does Manav think that he is hallucinating? Manav thinks that he is hallucinating because he meets Joy. Joy asks question, but he thinks that it is a machine that asks question. Who is Bindu? Bindu is an android 219. It is a robot. What request does Manav make to Bindu towards the end of the play? Manav requests Bindu to come along with him to Phoenix towards the end of the play. Describe the relationship between Manav and Bindu. Manav is a man who lives in Bindu and Android 219, X219. They had been living in underground in Calcutta for last 10 years. Manav talks to Bindu. Bindu, he has been his only friend in last 10 years, loneliness of life. Bindu work for Manav like cleaning, cooking, etc. What makes you think that Bindu is not a human being but a machine? In opening of the play, when computer and Manav were talking, it comes to the mind that Bindu is a machine. It is also confirmed that Bindu operates. Bindu also tells activation procedure is starting now. So Bindu is a machine. What is Manav initial attitude to the computer? Manav initial considered that computer is intelligent. He can lie. He links the computer for communication purpose. The computer can tell his temperature, news of the world, and many more. Manav is totally dependent on the computer initially. How does Manav realize that he is not the last man on the earth? Manav realized that he is not the last man. Last when he meets Joy, that he is not the last man on the earth. Before this, the computer also informed him that it has detected a life near to his place. He also meets Joy, father, who tells him about an exclave phonics. This confirmed Manav that there are more lives also. How does Daddy proceeded Manav to go to him to the Phoenix? Daddy tells Manav that he has been living alone in the basement for 10 years. What is the use of existence when one cannot do anything for future generation? There is not any right of keep the future generation in ignorance. Daddy tells him that every individual has something to contribute. At last Manav agreed to go to the Phoenix with him. What function according to Phoenix will master computer perform for mankind? According to Phoenix, the master computer has dedicated itself to human being. It will help to find transport. It will guide them to food and shelters. It will warn mankind against dangers. Thank you.